What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart. Then we will continue with the fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the potential outcome for this ticker. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose a free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that the level of 0.5, it is a Fibonacci retracement level from swing low that we had recently, that we had right here, to swing high to this point. And it is a very good point to accumulate your potential position with this company. And I have to say that in one of my previous video I nailed this bottom, because we had a double bottom pattern and we finished the entire 5-wave structure in the last wave of the retracement. And so far it is our lowest point, and our major accumulation point was lower than $34 mark. And from this accumulation point to our current price, we are up for about 36%. And it is very good point. So, and for those of you who enter your position at the level of 0.5, you're up for about 7% to current price. Congratulations to all of you, and I have to say that this is a rather good price to enter with this company for the long term. So, and let's continue with some fundamentals. First of all, let me read the company's profile. NIO designs, develops, manufactures and sells smart electric vehicles in China. The company offers 5, 6 and 7-seater electric SUVs as well as smart electric sedans. It also involved in the provision of energy and service packages to its users, marketing, design and technology development activities, manufacture of e-powertrains, battery packs and components, and sales and after-sales management activities. So, this is a very good company, and let me show you their numbers. For now, its total market cap is $72.37 billion. They have a revenue of $3.49 billion with a negative net income of $1.34 billion. They have a very good revenue growth of 202.26% year-over-year. And they have a total cash position of $7.21 billion with a total debt of $2.34 billion. So, I have to say that it is a stable company from the fundamental standpoint, and I have to say that they are heavily increased their positions in China and in Europe as well, because they recently opened the new store in Norway, and they are about to start their first sales. And this drastically increase their numbers, their fundamental numbers. And on top of that, this is the only company of this size, of the size of more than $70 billion of market cap, that has a battery as a service for their customers. And it is also very good point, and it is very good competitive advantage. On top of that, this solution gives the opportunity to NIO to have a huge amount of recurring revenue for its customers. And that's why it is a very good point for this stock. So let's continue with this news. And we are on Seeking Alpha as well. And this article was published on July 20th, 2021. And it's titled, NIO, Don't Be Fooled. And here's the summary. Short interest in NIO is down almost 12% month-on-month and nearly flat sequentially in the latest reporting cycle. And let me show you this information. We are on finviz.com and we are on NIO ticker, as you can see right here. And for now, its short float is only 4.6%. And I have to say it is a very low volume of short volume ratio, and that's why I think we don't have enough bearish pressure to push the price of the stock down. And let me continue with these bullets. Bears may argue that the stock is poised for a sharp correction, but the street isn't buying into the bearish narratives just yet. The stock justifies its price premium and has the potential to rally in the coming weeks and months. and let me quote you this paragraph. For starters, NIO has registered triple-digit growth in deliveries for the fourth consecutive quarter. This is downright impressive. During Q1 itself, the company delivered a little over 20,000 vehicles, which marked a year-on-year growth of massive 423%. Also, NIO's pace of delivery growth was much faster than Tesla and Li Auto's during the said quarter. So, as you can see, they are increasing the numbers of their deliveries, and on my previous video I've told you that they are turning their margin to the positive side. And let me show you their institutional investors. We are on fintel.io, and as you can see, green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed positions. And we have more green rows than the red ones, and I have to say that the total sentiment of this ticker is rather bullish, and we don't have huge positions that were closed recently. For example, this company closed their position for the $7,000, only $7,000 in value. Next company closed its position for the value of only 3 shares. It means they owned less than $150. And I have to say that we have more bullish sentiment across this list, and it is a very good sign for this company. But the main concern for now is the banning of Chinese stocks on US stock market. And here is the news that was published on MarketWatch. It was published on July 22nd, and it's titled, "This is your final warning. Chinese stocks listed in the US are dangerous to hold." And let me quote you this. Recent moves from both the Chinese and US governments could have Chinese stocks trading in the US barreling toward delisting in the next 3 years. If that happens, and that remains a big if, experts say typical American investors could be left holding the bag when the music ends. And in my opinion, for now, as you can see, let me show it to you. There are currently 250 Chinese companies that are listed on the US stock exchange, and the total market cap of all of these companies are more than $2.1 trillion. And I have to say, in my opinion, it won't happen because the United States and the China has the benefits from the listing on US stock exchanges, Chinese companies. And I have to say that we have at least 3 years from the end of 2020. Basically, we have 2.5 years in order to see first the listings. And it is quite huge period. That's why I don't think that we might have some problems with Chinese companies. And I have to say that even with the bad news from this point, for now we will see only a volatility on Chinese stocks. There is nothing to worry about it, in my opinion, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, what to expect next from this ticker? I have to say that I'm rather bullish on this stock, and we have major targets, and to project our major targets, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top, and third point at the bottom of the retracement. And as you can see, we finished all 5 waves on a smaller scale. This means it implies only one wave on a greater scale. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our third wave, we have following targets. Main target right here at the level of $136.2 at the 1.618 extension from the first wave, and we have to break all the resistances that are above our current price, and they are at the levels of basically first resistance right here at around $67 mark. It is a previous all-time high. Next one at 0.786 at the price point of $81.92, and next is one-to-one extension at the level of $95.88 mark. So We are rather bullish now. As you can see, we exceed these two levels. This means we are establishing higher highs, and for now, if this pivot holds, we will establish a higher lows, because we have two consecutive higher lows from this point to this one, and it is a very good point. And for now, it is a rather good point to enter your position right here at this price action. And I have to say that we can easily hit the level of around $39 mark, this golden pocket, in order to make more steam to break all the next potential resistances. And you have to be prepared for this price action. And basically, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!